Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Oh yeah, this is the second one.
Go, go, go.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Fox, and today we are back at Bennett Springs. I got my best buddy there, Dustin Stromboli. He's behind me there. We're gonna do a little trout fishing. It's his first time trout fishing, so pretty excited about that. Hopefully we can get him on some fish, bring back some. So we'll just see what we can get into today. Yeah, Bennett Springs is always awesome, so we'll just see if we can catch some fish, see if we can catch his first trout, and let's go. Let's get ready for the next one. All right, y'all, so we got 6-pound test, barrel swivel, 4-pound test, split shot, and the old Berkeley power worm. We're gonna see if we'll get it done today. We're just gonna let it drift, let it bump the bottom, see if they bite. Let's go. Here we are, Bennett Springs, first little spot. Come on, Betsy. Oh. Got that bite?
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, do you need a hook too, I guess?
Yep.
Good night, bro. I'm just leaving you hanging, bro.
It's alright. I'll figure it out. I'll find me a bear and just get caught.
Who's going bear hunting? We going bear hunting. Let's get you one of these. Squishy. Slip.
Yeah, right?
Good night. Fish on. Ooh. Just let her drift, bro. That's a nice one there. And I'm still attached. Just let her drift. Oh, nice in the corner. Boy, that's a nice one. Look at that, boy.
Right off the bat, bro.
Right off the bat. Oh, nice. You better stop it. I'll slap a fish. Very nice. Save the hook. Look at that. Nice trout. Hello. There you go. Oh. You feel it tugging? Yeah. You feel it tug, give it a jerk. They're either short biting it or...
There we go.
Get him? Yep. Oh yeah, Dustin's on. First trout ever. Look at him. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Bring him up there. There you go. There it is. Look, that's nice. That's a nice fish, bro. Good job, bro.
First one right off the bat.
First trout ever, yeah. If you stop it.
You cut that nuts.
You cut that out. That's a nice one, bro.
I won't pull on this and it go through your hand.
Yeah, don't do that, please. I'll keep fishing, but
Well, they do swallow it too, don't
yeah, they do.
You need these pliers reach down in.
Maybe.
Good.
Oh, he swallowed it. We'll just get you a new one. Yeah, he's going home. We'll tie you up. That's where you lose the other one. Let me see your. Good job, bro.
Thanks.
That's a pretty good fish.
Yeah.
Right
Right off the bat.
there. Yeah, hold him up.
I think that's
Here, let me get him on the stringer first.
bigger than most smallmouth I've caught.
Yeah.
Not even 30 minutes in. That's crazy.
Yeah. So,
He's gonna bleed himself out.
so my suggestion is to bleed him out, but there he is.
He's bleeding himself out with his...
First trap. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the second one. And he swallowed it. That's still a nice one though.
Yeah.
Where am I at? You may be able to get that one out with your pliers.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, try grabbing him and you'll see. Well, you probably don't want your hands all stinky. Yeah, he's floppy.
Slam him like a ding dong. Hey,
Yeah.
hey. Stop it. Stop it. That fish.
I'll give you to the birds.
Yeah, that's right. They're waiting for you. It's like, I'm getting tired. Hey, no, okay, fine.
Yeah, I guess that's that.
There's
Yeah,
that.
that's not bad.
Yeah. Pink
Yeah,
bait.
hold that.
Pink bait, bro.
Yep. I'll find old D Stromboli on here. Good night. What'd you do, bro? Woo, that's a fatty, bro.
That one mine?
Yeah.
Well, mine was a smaller one. That new one is.
So it looks like they're using orange too. You might try orange.
Well, that pink. As soon as I put that pink on, he hit. That's what we first hit him with further down.
Make sure that's the right one. Yeah, that's you. You want to cut the gills or no?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, what's up with my fish here? Getting a little.
Drop that hook.
Man, that water's cold, bro.
Yeah, I don't have it.
Got him. Ooh, look at that one, bro.
Big, bro.
Oh, nice hook set. Oh man, that may be my PB.
Yeah.
Let me get this dude in the net, because about the time your line breaks. Oh, just like that. Good night. That's a beauty. Did you take the hook too? Can't see with my... I don't know where it's at, but man, oh man.
It's a good one.
Oh yeah. That's real nice.
I think bait, isn't it?
Yeah, that power worm, bro.
Oops. Me too. Not yet.
Stay in there. You stay in there. You dirty dog, you. There he is. That is a dandy. Nice. Very nice. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Got him. Got him. You want to grab that net, bro? Oh, grab the net. All right. Oh, yeah. Good night. I'll show you when he's done. That'd be perfect shots right there for your bow. Oh, got him. Get him, bro. Let me get the net. Don't want to lose him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's nice, bro.
That's a good one. Another good one.
Yeah. Oh, he didn't get bad.
Get
Yeah. Don't you start that. Oh, he's doing a dance. He's doing a dance. He's happy dance.
Leaning against the side here. Oops. I ripped his tongue off.
Yeah, he's gonna eat him, so.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the least of his worries.
That's not what I want. I want that. There it is.
Oh,
Nice catch, bro. Little reflexes, bro.
yeah. You gonna get your stringer and unhook it.
Set this out of right here.
Then we'll show your fish off, bro. Dustin's third one.
Ooh, doggy. Just another day.
Just another day trout fishing.
Doing what I do.
You better keep it down in there.
Just chill out. You go up through the gill.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep. And then hook him, and then we'll get him out of the net. There you go. Look at that.
Ta-da! Not bad.
No, that's not bad. Got him. Oh, bro, this is a good one. That's it, bro. Good hook set. That's it.
Keep that, bro.
Huh?
You gotta keep your net.
Well, excellent hook set. Man, I watched him come back for it too. Good night. The old pink and white power bait did it again. Alright, y'all, Dustin had to leave, so I'm gonna try to catch one more fish before I go. And all I'm doing is just letting it bounce down through there. See if we can get a bite. Fish on. There you go. That's it. There we go. Another nice one. Let's go. Oh, all right, y'all. Great day. I'm glad Dustin came out with us, or with me, anyway. Nice trout. White and pink power worm. Done the trick. Took a little bit. We done most of our fishing first thing this morning. We caught a few of them, and then I came back and I caught one more. So anyway, great day. Hope you liked the video. Bennett Springs is always awesome. Can't wait. It's getting close. I think this is the last week to be able to catch trout at the state park, so it'll be interesting come spring. Hopefully we can do some camping down here. Always good luck, good fishing, great time. So beautiful place. So if you ever get a chance, check out Bennett Springs, Roaring Rivers, any of them. That's the two I've been to. I know there's a ton of them around within a couple hours, but it's great fishing here. Beautiful place. Yeah, come check it out. Until next time, let's get ready for the next one. Let's go.